Okay, afternoon everybody. This is Russell from Shok Industries. How's everybody doing today? So, shout out to the SSC guys. Hey Ron. Today we are over in Taiwan to check out the extrusion process of our 4-odd gauge competition double extreme power cable. So as you can see, we've got most of the strands over here. This is 115 millimeter square cable. It's a 10,108 strands OFC. The difference between a lot of this and a lot of other cables is that we send our cables for certification. So we have SGS certification on all our competition double extreme cables, and if you have seen, we also have that double extreme, which is a 2.5 watt power cable for selected countries. So now we are about to do the extrusion process. So hey, we're just here to check it out, and also stay tuned for more cool stuff and around the factory in Taiwan. So you can see, for you guys who want more power, 4-odd gauge, 10,108 strands of pure copper goodness, certified copper goodness. If you don't trust our purity, you can always give SGS a call, and you can see, hey, you're about to have some fun. Okay, cheers all. Okay guys, just a quick one for all those who are wonder where your PVC casing comes from. It comes from little pellets like this, okay, as you can see. So, okay, for those who might not know, for our Shok Industries Competition XXTREME, we have sent these pellets for SGS certification to ensure that there are no toxic materials inside. Word from China is that in order to cut costs, we have heard rumors about Chinese factories actually using toxic materials to cut costs on the casing. That is how you get cheaper cables, cheaper quality cables. It may be flexible, but you know, when you handle it, it's toxic, so we don't know. So this is how the pellets is like. Okay, it comes in little bags like these. It goes into a smelting machine. We melt it down, and it goes to the extrusion machine, and it comes out the power cable. So okay, thank you.
This is Radio Freedom.
KLF is gonna rock ya. KLF is gonna rock ya. KLF is gonna rock ya. KLF is gonna rock ya.